Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online class of business studies. Today's topic is business risk. Risk refers to the probability of losses or inadequate profit. Yes, definitely. Every business will earn profit. It is not sure and it is not guaranteed. Every business will be having a probability of loss or probability of getting profit, or it can be inadequate profit due to uncertainties or unexpected events. Here uncertainty means the thing which is not certain to us that it will happen or not, or unexpected events. Sometimes it happens what we had not thought it happened, which can create loss for our business. In simple words, we can say business risk means a chance of incurring losses or less profit than expected. For example, demand for a product may decline due to change in taste and preference of the customers, or due to change in fashion, or due to change in competitors' policy, etc. So this can be the factor which can come uncertainly to our business and can affect our business. These factors cannot be controlled by the businessman. Yes, definitely government's policy, demand of the goods when changes from demand of the goods changes of the customer from one goods to another. It cannot be changed, but it can be controlled. So if we are able to learn about business risk, definitely we can have a control over that. The nature of business risk. Business risk arises due to uncertainties. Yes, definitely. Risk, if we are knowing what will happen, definitely no risk will be there in the business. But as we are not knowing the future, because as business is done for earning profit in the future, so this future is not certain to us. Many uncertainties lying in the future, so that can create the business risk. Uncertainties means when you are not sure of what is going to happen in future. Common examples of uncertainties are change in demand, government policy, technology, etc. It is due to these uncertainties. Second feature nature is risk is an essential part of every business. Risk is an important characteristic of business. No business can avoid risk, although degree of risk may vary. Risk can be reduced but cannot be eliminated. So that is also a part that risk is essential part of every business. The next is degree of risk depends upon the nature and size of business. As we already learned in the first point that as the business can be big or small size, the risk also can be of different sizes, but risk will be there. The degree of risk depends upon the type of business. For example, a business involved in fashion items bears more risk as compared to business involved in standardized goods. Similarly, a business operating at large scale bears more risk as compared to small scale business houses. Next nature is profit is the reward for bearing the risk. Businessmen earn profit because they are bearing risk. No risk, no gain. Larger the risk, more is the profit. An entrepreneur bears risk with the expectations of earning profit. So here it has been said that for every type of risk bearing, we will be having the profit as reward. As much big business we want to start, that much risk will be there. With that much risk, profit will also be lying with for us. So has the profit. That's why it is said profit is the reward for bearing any type of risk. So instead of thinking the risk will be bigger or smaller, we have to do the business as much we can do so that we can come out from the risk and we can get more and more profit. Nature of business risk arises due to uncertainty. It is an essential part of every business. Degree depends on nature and size of business. Profit is a reward for bearing the risk. Next topic is causes of business risk. The common causes of risk are natural causes. Nature is an independent phenomena and human beings have to no control over it. Definitely. The flood, earthquake, the drought, famine situation. These are the situation when our demand for the goods can go down and it supply can be affected. So natural calamities like earthquake, flood, drought, famine, etc. affect a business a lot and can result in heavy losses. The natural causes are such type of uncertain factors that human beings cannot make any preparation against. The second cause is human cause. The cause of business risk will be human being. Like for example, the dishonest employees can cheat to us by telling our secrets to the other businessman. That type of risk can be called as human causes. Human causes are related to a chance of loss due to human beings or employees of the organization. The dishonesty of employees can bring heavy losses for business. Example, the employees may leak a business secret to a competitor and may commit fraud, etc. The employees may be careless and may mishandle the machinery and resources, which can also bring heavy losses by wastage of resources. The employees may hamper the production by going on strikes, riots, etc. This can also lead to heavy loss for business. So these are the various types of human losses which we have discussed. Dishonest employees, heavy losses can create heavy loss for business. The employees may be careless, mishandling of the resources, machineries can bring a big loss to our business. The employees may hamper the production by going on strikes. These are the various types of risks which can be with the human. Economic causes. The type of cause, the type of risk when happen due to the economic monetary value changes, then it is called economic causes. Economic causes are related to a chance of loss due to change in market condition. They can be price fluctuation in the market, they can be change in fashion, taste, preference and demand of customers, they can be change in the degree of competition. All these have a direct impact on the earnings of the business. Even change in government policy affect the business a lot. For example, in 1971, when Janata government came in power, the Coca-Cola company and many other foreign companies were sent back from India. So these can be the type of example that is caused due to economically to the business. So it is very bad for our business when any type of economic risk arises for the business. Next is physical cause. All those causes of business risk which result in damage of assets and other physical assets of the business organization are considered as physical causes. For example, change in technology may result in machinery being outdated, use of old technology, mechanical defects may also result in damage of assets such as bursting of boiler, accident to employees, etc. These are the various types of physical causes. Types of business risk. The business risk can be classified into two major categories. One is insurable risk and second is non-insurable risk. The risks which can be recovered are called insurable risk. The losses which can be made good or losses for which company can get compensation from insurance company are called insurable risk. Generally, the natural and physical risks are insurable risks. Example, businessman can take a fire insurance policy to recover the losses due to fire. He can also take insurance policy to get protection from flood, earthquake or from damage of assets such as bursting of boiler, etc. So these type of risk, the type of risk which can be insured and we can get the money back which we lost, it is considered as insurable risk. Non-insurable risk, the type of risk which can happen to our business and we cannot get safety from that. The risk for which no protection is available are called non-insurable risk. Generally, the economic risk and human risk are non-insurable risks. The businessman cannot get compensation for change in demand or loss due to negligence or carelessness of employees. Whether the risk is insurable or non-insurable, only the loss can be shared but risk remains. Next topic is role of profit in the business.